Soon, the cost of accessing online court records is going to go up. Exchange is Utah's statewide online court filing system, and fees to use it are set to increase July 1st. KSL investigator Daniela Rivera joins us from the newsroom to explain why and how much. Daniela?
Well, that's right. Here at KSL 5 News, we use online court records to report on cases of public interest. Attorneys use the system every day to work for their clients, and you at home might use Exchange to follow a case you're involved in or look up someone else's history. But after this month, some of the fees required to do that will be doubled or more. Utahns use Exchange to look up court records online for many reasons.
Say you're going on a blind date or something like that and you want to look the guy up, that gives you access to public records.
Access that comes at a cost, one that's set to go up.
The fees we were charging for Exchange were significantly lower than what it takes to run the program.
Tanya Mashburn with the Utah court system says that's why, come July 1st, searches will go from 15 cents each to 35 cents, a 133% increase. And the current cost of downloading a document, 50 cents, will double. The cost to set up a guest account will also double, costing non-subscription users $10. The $40 monthly subscription fee will stay the same and still include up to 500 searches each month. All those fees go toward paying for the state to run Exchange. The move comes after an analysis found a $1.5 million shortfall.
So all we're doing is bringing that up to try to break even on it. Honestly, it's still a little bit under, but at least it's closer to breaking even.
I think there might be some people who say, shouldn't my tax dollars be paying for Exchange and public access to court records? Why am I also having to pay individually?
Exchange is an additional sort of program and benefit that we provide to Utahns. If you go to any other state, they don't have a program like Exchange or a service like Exchange.
The last time Exchange fees were increased was in 2021, and I'm told low-income users can save money on court records by physically going to the courthouse, where you can access copies of court filings for a much cheaper rate that would just cover the cost of the printing materials. Mike and Deanie.
All right, there's another option. Daniela, thank you.